Hey guys, welcome to Herding Little Cows to the Glory of God. Today we are making Do Nothing Cake. The recipe is from the Southern Lady Cooks. So, first we are going to put in flour. We are going to put in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1, 2. Now we are going to put in the baking soda. We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to put this in on top. Now we are going to put in our salt. We need to put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Let's see what we've got in here. We have 1 teaspoon, so I'll need to go get an 8.
You're good.
Now that I have my spoon, I could only find a 1/4 of a teaspoon, so I'm just going to do half of that. And I'm going to put that in.
Did you do a half of it?
Yep.
Okay.
Now I will have to put in our sugar. We are putting in 2 cups of sugar. Let's see. We have half a cup here, so we have to do 4 scoops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to stir this up until it's combined. Next, we are going to crack our eggs into this bowl here. We need 2 eggs. So I'm going to crack them into this bowl and drop them in here. So if you get a shell in, just scoop it out with the other shell you still have in your hand. So now we are going to put in our vanilla. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which actually the top of the vanilla is 1 teaspoon. So I'm just going to put in 1 capful. There we go. Now we're going to put in our pineapple. We got 1 20-ounce can of pineapple, and we're not straining out the juice, so we're just going to pour this in.
And what kind of pineapple is it?
Crushed pineapple. So I'm going to drop that in and stir this up. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then so we're just going to keep beating this together until it is all combined. It's kind of hard. So stir it till there's no clumps of flour or sugar or anything. There will still be clumps of pineapple. So there's always clumps of pineapple. It's only crushed, not demolished. So this is what it will look like. And then Mommy, so I'm just going to scrape this fork off and set it right here. And then I'm just scraping the last bit of flour from the edges and stirring that in. now we're going to take this, come over here. Here, let me move the camera. And we're going to scrape this into the bowl. Oh, I forgot to say, preheat your oven to 375 while you're making this, so it will be ready to go in the oven. So we're just going to scrape this out with our rubber spatula and scrape it and scrape it and scrape it. Okay. So we're almost.
The temperature on that is actually 350.
Okay, 350. Whatever that thing was.
That's okay.
Whatever it was.
I just wanted to make sure I did the right way.
Hey, then it's preheated. So then we're just gonna put this in the oven and wait for it to cook.
How long does it say to cook it?
It says to cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. So we'll see you in 30 to 35 minutes. Bye. So we're back again and it's time to check the cake. So we're going to open this up. Mommy put something else in there to cook.
Abigail has never checked a cake before, so we're doing this to show our viewers what you're looking for and Abigail what you're looking for. So first, when you pull the cake out, if it looks like it's kind of jello-y in the middle, like when you move it, if it's like sloshing, then it's not done. But it doesn't look that way. So now she's got a toothpick.
So we are gonna take a toothpick and pick it up. And if it comes up clean.
If it comes out with nothing on it, it's done.
It has stuff on it.
Oops, let me see.
it
Hold
there.
on. Trying to show them. We have a, see it? It's got stuff on it. So that means the cake's not done yet. We're gonna push it in for 5 more minutes. Got it?
It is now 5 minutes later, so we are going to open up the oven again. We're going to pull out the tray. Now we are going to, again, poke the center with a toothpick.
What are you looking for on the toothpick?
We're looking for stuff on the toothpick from the cake. There's still a little bit on there. So we're gonna leave it for, how long? Another 5 minutes. So,
We'll check it again. We don't want anything to be on the toothpick.
Bye. Welcome back. So we're gonna open up the oven again. Then we're gonna use our hot pen. Pull out that. And then, again, we're gonna poke the toothpick in the middle. Pull it out. And I see a little, is that good? I think it's good. And our cake is done. So, we're gonna take this out. Where should I set it?
Just put it on hot pads on the table.
Okay. So, we're gonna get out another hot pad for it and set it over here on the counter.